You are only the one who's bringing new technology. Someone must have saying, "Ye kyun aata hai?"
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Unmute yourself and say. Can you
Yes,
hear?
I can hear.
Okay. Okay, so we finished with linear equations in one variable. I think few sums from problem set is left. Is it? Okay. So can you tell me the number?
In the test, I did the sum right or I did the sum wrong?
Which sum?
You were given some of the present ages of Manish and Sarita.
That is correct. You checked, right? Didn't you check your test? The corrected one?
Yeah, yeah, but like now I don't remember. So,
If you have your mobile in front of you, can open and see. And then ask me any doubts in that if you have. Do you have your cell phone near you?
yeah, I'm looking. I don't have any doubt, but my sum is completely right? Like
The
nothing is
problem
missing.
you're asking about the problem sum?
Yeah, practice
Yeah,
set
problem sum is
1.
right.
Problem set 1. Question 4.
Oh, you're asking about the problem set. I thought you're asking about the test.
Yeah, no, that sum has come in the test. So did I do it correct in the test or not?
No, yeah. If you're asking about the problem sum, correct? The problem sum is correct, entire from start
so
to
if I've
end.
done it correct, yes, if I've done it correct, then only 5 and 6 is left. If I've not done it correct, then 4, 5, 6 is left.
Okay, 5 and 6. Fine.
In my Maths 1 book, I have only 3 pages left. So should I take another book outside to continue in that?
Yes, take a new book.
Just come.
Yes.
Oops, sorry, sir. No, I just wanted to ask you if you wanted in like once June starts. I have this one class which is from 2 to 3. So you will keep the class at 4 only, right? You're not going to change the timings.
No.
Okay.
But between
because all
from 2 to 3, right? Okay. You'll have 1 hour anyways gap, no? From 4 to 5.
Yeah, because all the classes have changed. So like they have changed the class timings because it used to be in the morning, and then after in June it's going to be school in the morning.
Your
So
school is
that is why they
started?
had to change. No. It's going to start on 15th.
15th. Okay. So what are the timings other subjects are, if you can tell me?
On Monday, I have. Should I send it to you instead of saying everything?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, did you get it? I send you that the current one and the changed one. So if you want, you can keep it the same also. I don't have any problem if you keep it the same. Hello? No, no, no.
I am seeing your timetable.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
yeah, I think I'll keep it the same because you have gap also between two classes, and that is required.
Okay. Okay. And and what else that you told me to send me?
No, that's it. Okay. So fifth and sixth sum is left. We'll continue that, and then we will start with the new chapter.
Yeah. After these two sums, are you going to go to geometry?
You wanted statistics, right?
Okay. No, no, I did not want anything. I have sent you this one message. We'll go according to that.
School was when your school before your school go on vacation. The last thing that just started coordinate, right?
No, no, no. They have finished half coordinate, but
Half
they have and they have completed this first chapter.
first
Fully
chapter.
completed. Yeah,
Okay.
they've completed. And once the school starts, they will start with whatever subject they will with whatever chapter they will start. But in geometry, they will complete the coordinate geometry.
Okay, then we will do statistics, and after statistics, we'll go to geometry. Okay, one more thing.
Do you?
Yeah,
No, no. Do you mind if we start with trigonometry?
trigo. Yeah, we can start with trigonometry. And one more thing. On this week Saturday, I want to take a test on coordinate geometry. So today is a Tuesday.
So you will be taking it on
Saturday. Okay,
Okay,
I'll give you an option. Saturday or Sunday.
No, Saturday is fine. Saturday at
Saturday.
what time?
Same time, 4 to 5.
4 o'clock?
Yes.
No, I have Renuka ma'am's class. So
4
you keep
o'clock.
it on Sunday.
Sunday then. Okay.
No, I
Just
have it from
that.
3 to 4. So I won't be able to
Yeah.
do it. So
Or
Sunday.
I'll give one more option for you. If not this week, then next week. How about
Next week I have a Renuka Mrs. Test.
Test? Okay, then this is best. Then I think Sunday.
Yeah, I have her test on 1 second. I have her test on 13. So you keep it on 6.
6th is
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. Fine. Okay. So in a factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. Total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Find daily wages of skilled and unskilled worker. Okay, understand the question first. There are workers, and these workers are divided into two sections. First is skilled and second is unskilled. Now the ratio of their salaries is given as 5:3. Now the total salary of one day, okay, the total one day salary of both skilled and unskilled is 720.
You add them or separately 720?
Add. If you add them. Okay, one day salary of skilled plus one day salary of unskilled gives you 720. You have to find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. Okay, so you have to find it separately. How much is
5x plus 3y equals to 720.
This is what given to you know, it is a ratio. It is a ratio. So we'll see how to use that. Okay, so first you start with what you have to find out. What you have to find out? Can you tell me what you have to find out?
Daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers.
So you say, let the daily wage of skilled workers be rupees X. So let the daily wage of skilled workers be rupees X, and let the daily wage of unskilled workers be rupees Y. Okay, so now you know what is X and Y. X is the daily wage of skilled worker. Y is a daily wage of unskilled worker. Now, first condition, if you see, what does the first condition says? The ratio of the salary of skilled and unskilled is 5:3. Okay, the ratio. So this is X and this is Y. What is ratio?
X is to Y.
X is to Y. Correct. X is to Y, or you can write it as X upon Y. Correct. Now this is given to you what? What is the ratio given to you?
5:3.
5:3, or you can write it as 5 upon
5 upon
3. 3. Now here what you could do is you can do, you will have to do cross multiplication. So what do you get with cross multiplication?
5y and 3x. So
Yes.
3x and 5y.
Yeah. So I'll just write here as per first condition, and then here 3x equal to 5y. Take plus 5y on the other side, what will happen? Can you tell?
3x minus y equals to 5.
Equals to, here nothing is there now.
Okay, you
Nothing.
take both. Okay, 0.
Yes. So this is equation number 1. Clear? Now, second condition. What the second condition says? Can you tell me? Here, what does this says?
Total salary of one day of both of them is 720 rupees.
So as per second condition, what will be the equation? Can you tell me? 1 day
X
salary.
plus y equals to 720.
Correct. So x plus y is equal to 720. This you can call it equation number 2. Now what do you have to do?
Simultaneous.
Yes. Solve.
Can we do grammars?
Yes, you can do grammars. See what you find easier, you do that. But for according to me, solving simultaneously will be easy, because you see this is a big number here. So, and this is minus 5y, and this is plus y. So if you just multiply this equation by 5, this minus 5y and plus 5y can get cancelled. You can do Cramer's rule also.
720 into 5 is, I don't know what.
So use
Okay,
Cramer's
fine, we
rule.
can. I'll use simultaneous.
Yeah. So first write up to here and then solve simultaneous equation and tell me the answer. Okay.
x equals to 450 and y equals to 270. You're on mute.
Yes, it's correct. 450, 270, correct.
Hello? Hello?
Okay, so now we have one sum left.
कहाँ पे?
That is the sixth. Yeah. Yes. You got the correct answer, so it will be correct.
भंडार वाला गार्डन के यहाँ पे आ जाइए.
Okay, this sixth sum is exactly the same as the last sum that we skipped from exercise 1.5. So we can leave the sum also.
Okay. Are you sure both of these sums are not going to come at all?
As far as I have seen the past papers, such speed type sums do not come. We'll solve, what we'll do is we will solve, we'll take one session later on solving past papers. If such type of question appears in any one of those papers, then we will solve it. Okay. By the way, you can buy that book, okay? Past papers books. So I think you will be purchasing it.
Target?
Not Target. You get a book wherein the last 5 years board papers would be, question papers would be in that book.
I don't know. Maybe
Question
I've
paper.
signed up for Shruti. At the end of the year, they send you papers of all subjects and you have to submit them. I don't know anything about this. You
Question
already
papers, right?
registered.
Question papers. Yeah.
You have to solve them and courier it to them or something.
You have to pay.
Yeah, I've already taken it. Already taken 5 sets.
Question papers.
Yes.
Are they model papers or are they past papers?
Yes.
Model
I don't know
paper.
that, but they correct it and give it to me back.
Okay. So on the internet,
you can talk to my dad. I don't know about this much.
Okay. On the okay, I will forget the past papers. Yeah. But I think we'll do this some better. I think you will understand.
The lower you make the temperature, कितना चाहिए है?
Okay. So this is the same speed question, speed one. So firstly, this says out of 1,900 kilometers, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 kilometers per hour. If it takes 5 hours to complete the journey, Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. Okay, now first thing is you try to understand the question first. So total distance that he had to travel is 1,900 kilometers. So out of 1,900 kilometers, this was his total distance that he traveled. He traveled some by distance. Okay, something of this distance he traveled by bus, and some of this distance he traveled by aeroplane. Okay, so suppose if this is Vishal and this is his destination, he has to go here. So the total distance is 1,900 kilometers. Now this 1,900, some of it he traveled by bus and some distance he traveled by aeroplane. Okay, by plane. Okay, and the speed of the bus is given. So the speed of the bus is 60 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the aeroplane is 700 kilometers per hour. And he takes total of 5 hours to complete this journey. Okay, from here to here, it took him 5 hours. You have to find how much distance he had traveled by bus. Find the distance traveled by bus. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Okay, so since you have understood the question, I will go to the solution. So let the distance that Vishal traveled by bus be x kilometers. So we'll say for bus it is x, and let him travel 5 kilometers, the distance for by aeroplane. Okay, is this clear? What is x and what is y now? Distance traveled by bus is x, distance traveled by aeroplane is y. Yes?
Yes.
Now, as per the first condition, can you tell me the first equation? Total distance is 1,900. Distance by bus is x, distance by aeroplane is y. So what will be the first?
60x.
No, don't look at the speed for now. Don't look at the speed. Just distance-wise, tell me distance.
60 plus 70 equals to 5.
So don't look at the speed. Okay, I'll do the diagram for you. Vishal and his destination. Total.
Oh, no. X plus y equals to 1900.
Correct. X plus
bus
y.
plus aeroplane.
Yes, bus plus aeroplane total. So x plus y is equal to 1,900. Now we'll have to use for our second condition, we'll have to use this. Now this is one formula which you should know. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Or
if I don't want to use it and do it, then how will I do it?
Now
you have to use this.
You have to use this.
Okay.
You must have studied this formula as speed is equal to distance upon time. This formula can be rearranged as time is equal to distance upon
S.
speed. Okay. S is used for displacement, right? There is a difference between distance and displacement.
Yeah, S is for displacement.
Okay,
No.
for speed you're saying?
S is for... It's fine, I understand.
Okay. So this formula is same as that. It's just a rearrangement. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Now, time required to cover x kilometers. Now, x is for bus. So speed of the bus is 60 kilometers per hour. So the time would be x upon 60. Correct? So time required to cover x kilometer is x upon 60.
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you. Hello?
Yes, now?
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
You're frozen. Are you speaking?
Yes, I am.
Hello, are you speaking?
Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah.
We'll continue. Okay, so time required to cover X kilometers would be distance upon speed. So distance is X, speed is 60. So X upon 60 hours. Is this clear? How X upon 60?
Yes.
Okay. Next, time required to cover Y kilometers. So Y kilometers by aeroplane, distance upon speed. So distance is Y, and for aeroplane, speed is 700. So this becomes Y upon 700 hours. That is a time. Now, according to the second condition, now you know, time required that for him to travel by bus is X upon 60. Time required for him to travel by plane is Y upon 100. Now, if you read the second condition, it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. So what will be the second equation? Can you tell me?
X plus Y equals to 500. Oh, sorry, 5.
Time by bus is X upon 60.
So X upon 60 plus Y upon 70 equals to
700.
5.
Yes.
Sorry, 700 equals to
Correct.
5.
5. 5. Correct. So X upon
Are we
60.
going to do it like 5 hours? We're going to do it into minutes and all of that?
No, keep it in hours. Everything is in hours.
Oh.
So in hours, this also is in hour, and in the question also it is given in hours. 5 hours. Everywhere it is given in hours. So keep it as it is. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So X upon 60 plus Y upon 700 is equal to 5. Now this has to be rearranged. So what you have to do is you can do cross multiplication. So
Cross multiplication you can do in this equal to sign.
LCM. You'll have to do LCM.
Yeah.
LCM. So you take LCM of 60 and 700. Do you know how to do this?
Oh, I forgot. I was taught this in 6th, so I don't remember this.
Or you can do simple this also.
You can do that. There's addition sign in the middle.
When there is an addition sign, you'll have to multiply the denominator also. When there is an equal to sign, no need to multiply the denominator. Did you get the difference?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So this way, if you do that way, cross multiplication, this becomes 700x plus 60y upon 60 into 700. So since there's an addition sign, you multiply what is there in the denominator also. Clear? Equal to 5. Okay. So take this now. Now there is an equal to sign. So when you do cross multiplication, you will not multiply the denominator. So 700x plus 60y is equal to 5 into 60 into 700. Did you understand up to here? Okay. So you just multiply this now, 700x plus 60y. So 5 into 6 into 7. So 5 6 are 30. 30 into 7, 2, 10, and these remaining zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So 21 2,10,000.
Isn't this too much?
Yes, we'll have to reduce it. We'll have to reduce it. But up to here, is it clear?
Yes.
Dividing by. Okay. So we can divide it throughout by 10. So this 0 and 0 cancel, this 0 and 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel. So you have 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. Up to here, clear? Yeah, just divided by 10. As well, right here, dividing by 10. Okay, I want you to write up to here. And then we will continue with the sum. So understand each and every step, each and every calculation, and write.
Yeah. That wrote it till then.
Okay. So we have two equations. First equation is x plus y is equal to 1900. Second equation 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. Okay. Now we'll have solved these two equations simultaneously. Okay. Now
Should I
to
do it?
okay, do it. You can do Cramer's rule also or simultaneous also. But Cramer's rule, since these numbers are very big, so Cramer's rule, lot of multiplication work will be. So better do simultaneous. Are you getting?
Is x 150?
Yes.
And it's substituted in.
There's no need to find out the value of y. Because if you read a question, read a question that just said find the distance traveled by bus. That means just x. We had to find out only. There is no need to find the distance traveled by the aeroplane. So you can stop after getting x.
So 150 kilometers.
Yes. Distance Vishal traveled by bus is 150 kilometers.
I'll just yes. Now coordinate geometry.
Coordinate.
Sorry, trigonometry.
Yes, we can do, but I just have 7 minutes remaining, so I don't want to start a new chapter and all of a sudden leave it. So from on Wednesday, I'll start trigonometry. Okay.
What about the homework? No homework.
Yeah, I'll see. Did you do the sums which you got incorrect in the test?
I did it in rough.
Hmm.
So I'll do it with the pen and then I'll set it.
Okay.
I just tried them, so I did not solve them. I just tried them.
Your sum was correct, but you copied the question wrong. So that's why the entire thing went wrong. There were 2 questions like that. One was the Cramer's rule one and the substitution one. There was a substitution question wherein you substituted 1 upon x minus. I'll show you the question better. It was a question from a textbook only. Yes, it was this question, which you did a major mistake, and that what you did is you substituted 1 upon x minus y as x, and you substituted 1 upon x plus y as y. This was a big mistake that you did. You should never substitute with the same variable. You always substitute it with a different variable. So you should have taken...
Like, what is the meaning of this?
You substituted... See, at this point, we do substitution, correct?
Yes.
But in the sum that you did...
Okay, so you are saying that m. I should have taken m.
Some other variable. Any other variable. You took same. So this variable is the same, no? X and x and your y and y. It's the same. That mistake you did. So take it as any other variable. So take it as m or n, p and q, a and b, but different from what is there here. Okay. And one more thing is after getting the answer, you forgot even resubstitution. In such sums, we even do resubstitution. So you even did not do resubstitution. Okay. So this was one of the sum which you
So I have
did
to do this
wrong.
sum again.
Yes. And there was one Cramer's rule sum wherein you copied the question wrong. So you will be having the question paper right with you. I had sent in the group. So you see and redo that one. Okay, we'll stop here.
Okay.
So on Wednesday, we'll start with trigonometry.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Yeah.